Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and the 34 video trading course. So, in a ways, on the monthly time frame, I'm still pretty confident this is the end of a wave 3 right here. And if that's the case, then we are very likely in a corrective wave 4, which should form some sort of a three-way pattern, probably down to one of these two fib levels, before it goes up and makes that wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this move down right here is likely an A. I think this is likely going to be three waves up for a B, and like I said, probably back down again for a C. I think this is all at ABC of 4, and I think the 50% is the most likely area for this to go before it makes another attempt on the uptrend for that wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely looking at this first move down ending right here as an A. I think this is an A, B, and C of wave B that we're in right now. I think it needs to go up to like the 123, maybe even the 138 area to end this move. So I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think it's going to end up looking something along those lines. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, my last structure level is right here, so a break of that structure would turn me into a seller. If otherwise, I would be looking at every single move to the downside as nothing beyond a correction to the last move up. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. We're looking for three waves down and impulsive up at a Fibonacci level to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. Now, until we get a break of structure on preferably the 4 to 8 hour time frame to the downside, which my structure is right here, then I am looking at every move to the downside as nothing beyond possibly a correction to the uptrend. So I would be looking at this as more than likely making some sort of an ABC correction. Now, if it does go down, if it does break structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for sells. Until that happens, like I said, I'm looking at every single counter trend move as nothing beyond a correction to the uptrend, and I'm looking for three waves down, impulsive up, for more entries to go long. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.